Hey, hello, I am Harald, welcome to my channel. Today I'll talk about heartache and love sickness. Before I start, realize one thing. It will go away, despite the fact that you might not believe that right now. I'll give you some tips in a second that will make this period not only short, but even enjoyable. Please watch till the end, because I will also talk about what to do if the ex shows up and wants you back. And yes, that might happen when you least expect it, and probably when you're not really that interested anymore. I'll also give a tip to reach out yourself after a while, but the question is, would it be wise to start over? Anyway, let's first get through the steps to get through the period of heartache and get back on your feet. Step one is, and this is very important, to cut off all contact with your ex, at least for a month or longer. No calls, no WhatsApp, no text, no social media profile watching, nothing. It will only hurt. Because love can be an addiction. Your body produces certain substances when you're in love. And the heartaches are basically withdrawal symptoms. So no contact. It's like when you quit smoking. Having only one cigarette won't help you forward either to get rid of the longings. Also, don't go to places where you have memories with your ex or where you're likely to see this person. Another reason to cut off contact is that you will only drive your ex further away if you'd reach out, or worse, start stalking, begging, or anything like that. I mean, if you really want them to miss you, give them the opportunity to do so. They won't if you deliver yourself on a silver platter, so stay away and keep silent. Now it's okay to be sad and feel sorry for yourself. Accept that and go through the roller coaster of emotional pain and sorrow. But there's a catch. When I had a heartache a long time ago now, I didn't have much energy to do anything. Pleasurable things became burdens, and burdens became a nightmare. As counterintuitive as it may feel while going through the sadness you allow yourself, do stuff. See friends, go for a drink with friends, and most importantly, invest in yourself to become fitter, smarter, even more attractive. Not for the ex, but for yourself. And once you drag yourself to your class, your gym class or something, you'll enjoy it. You really will, especially when you do sports, because that will release happy hormones. Maybe even better, be active in nature. Walking, meditating, and or sports in nature. When you feel one with nature, which you are, you will feel stronger in every way. The best is to walk barefoot if possible, because then you will feel the connection with the soil, and big chance you will feel that you have all the power, energy and validation within yourself, because you don't need your ex or anybody else to feel complete, confident or powerful. Now, after at least a month, you can ask yourself the question, do I want my ex back? Well, there are two main reasons to wait at least a month for that. First, your brain needs 21 days to get used to a new situation. It is the withdrawal period, so to speak. And after that period, you can give yourself more neutral answer to the question whether or not you want your ex back. But maybe more importantly, if you were dumped, it works the other way around for your ex who dumped you. They might at first be relieved that they dumped you, but after about 3 weeks or a little bit longer, big chance you will be missed. So your ex will probably miss you, only later. So a good chance your ex will show up by the time you're over them. Would you want your ex back? The big question is, it went wrong. Why wouldn't it go wrong again? What has changed? Okay, suppose things have changed and you want your ex back and they haven't showed up yet. Best chance you get is to organize a very light meeting. Just coffee at Starbucks or something very light anyway, and very important, don't start a discussion about why you broke up or any other drama. And no love declaration or telling you miss this person, keep it light. I made that mistake a long time ago. I was so in love and I was dumped. About 6 weeks later, my ex reached out and I started telling him that I missed him, still loved him, and God knows what else. The outcome, he was gone again the same day, and that was it. Oftentimes, though, the ex doesn't reach out until you're over them. The reason is that they often energetically sense that you moved on, usually on an unconscious level. That's good, because then you can have a detached look on the situation and you can decide without longings if you want to give this person a second chance. Well, I hope this helps, and don't forget, you deserve someone who takes an effort to deserve you. Don't go for second best. You deserve the best. Okay, bye.